digital mortgage website.
Hi, I'm a do-it-yourself website.
DIY today, huh?
Yeah, you know what? I just got access to this new platform. It's free. Look at all the tools they give you. I feel like the possibilities are endless. I can build whatever I want.
Looks a little messy to me, but you know, with Vonk Digital, you get a mortgage website that was pre-built by people that have actually owned a mortgage company before. There's content, add-ons, great features, integrations with a lot of the other mortgage tech providers out there. That's pretty endless.
But this is free.
Yeah, well, that looks free.